Is your electric boiler making your water way too hot? Scalding hot showers are no fun, and it can be a real worry. But don't panic. Before you call in an expensive technician, there's a simple fix you can try yourself. First, and this is very important, turn off the power to your boiler at the circuit breaker. Safety first, always. Now, find the thermostat on your boiler. It's usually a small dial or a digital control panel located on the unit itself. It might be hidden behind a small cover plate. Once you've found it, simply turn it down. Most are set way too high from the factory. A good, safe temperature is around 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 degrees Celsius. This will save you energy and prevent burns. Turn the power back on, and that's it. You've just made your home safer and more comfortable. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy home tips. Thanks for watching.